Good morning, everyone. Welcome to News Forum with another set of articles for discussion. So, first, we'll be talking about Information Technology Rules 2021. They came into effect from May 25 this year, and they aim to empower ordinary users of social media platforms and OTT platforms with a mechanism for redressal and timely resolution of their grievance. जितने भी सोशल मीडिया कंपनीज हैं विद अ यूज़र बेस ऑफ 50 लाख वो एक ग्रीवियंस ऑफिसर को अपॉइंट करेंगे जो कंप्लेंट्स के साथ डील करेगा और द बिग सोशल मीडिया कंपनीज आर मैंडेटेड टू अपॉइंट अ चीफ कंप्लायंस ऑफिसर, अ नोडल कंटैक्ट पर्सन एंड अ रेसिडेंट ग्रीवियंस ऑफिसर. एंड प्लीज़ नोट दिस पॉइंट, ऑल ऑफ देम शुड बी रेसिडेंट्स ऑफ इंडिया. अगर एग्ज़ाम में ये क्वेश्चन आता है और वो पूछते हैं कि he should be a resident of India or not? Yes, all of them should be residents of India. In the cases which relate to sovereignty and integrity of India, the first originator of the information has to be identified for them. लेकिन कुछ कंपनीज हैं जिन्होंने इस न्यू IT रूल्स को चैलेंज किया है, saying that they violate the right to privacy and are unconstitutional. And right to privacy is a part of Article 21 of the Part 3 of the Constitution. और वो ये भी कहते हैं जो एंड टू एंड एनक्रिप्शन टेक्नोलॉजी है वो भी एट रिस्क है, एट बेनिफिट है. अगर हम चैट्स को ट्रेस करेंगे, फर्स्ट ओरिजिनेटर को ट्रेस करेंगे एंड अदर इशूज रिलेटेड टू दैट. और गवर्नमेंट का ये कहना है कि द फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच एंड एक्सप्रेशन इज द बेसिक टेनेट ऑफ एनी डेमोक्रेसी. Freedom of speech and expression is a part of Article 19 of the Part 3 of the Constitution. However, it's not absolute. No freedom is absolute. We need to strike a right balance between fundamental rights and ascertaining the reasonableness of a restriction. And this has been a constant effort since the adoption of our Constitution in 1949. So Article 19 and 21 of the Part 3 of our Constitution become important here. Please go through them as well and go through this slide as well. And the next is about the onset of the space tourism. So Indian origin aeronautical engineer Sirisha Bandla became the third Indian origin woman to fly to space after Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams. And please note this point, Wing Commander Rakesh Sharma is the only Indian citizen to travel in space. Kalpana Chawla, Sunita Williams and Sirisha Bandla, they were of Indian origin. However, Rakesh Sharma is the only Indian citizen to travel in space. So this Virgin Galactic Space Tourism Company flew rocket plane VSS Unity, and it reached an altitude of about 88 kilometers over the New Mexico desert, which was enough to experience 3 to 4 minutes of weightlessness and see the curvature of the earth. This plane detached from the mothership at an altitude of about 13 kilometers and fired it in the engine, reaching a speed of more than Mach 3. Mach 3 means 3 times the speed of sound. जितनी स्पीड की साउंड होती है उसका 3 times. So this passenger rocket VSS Unity belongs to Virgin Galactic Space Tourism Company. Sirisha Bandla is the third woman of Indian origin to fly into space, and Wing Commander Rakesh Sharma is the only Indian citizen to travel in space. Please go through these slides. Tomorrow we'll be back with another set of articles. Thank you so much for your time and you have a great day ahead.